Hey guys, this is Surajit, your friend in internet marketing, and today I want to show you EmailJit 2, the best email marketing automation tool that you can get. Now, I'm an experienced email marketer myself, and in EmailJit 2, I've worked hard to create every single feature and system that email marketers need to make their campaigns really awesome, really profitable, and to get the best possible profits from the email campaigns. And I've kept everything as simple as possible so that even a newbie can use this. Let me show you how EmailJit works. Before I dive into the amazing EmailJit features, I want to show you how utterly simple it is to send an email with EmailJit. Start by typing out the email subject. Then choose which email account you want to use and the lists you want to mail. So let's say I want to mail this list. So if you want to mail only 200 people on this list, you can do so. Just double click on the list name and then select which segment of the list to mail. So I want to mail the first person on the list to the 200 person, which means only 200 people out of my 341 strong list, I can do so. So once I've selected the list and I've selected how much of the list I want to mail, all of it or only a small fragment of it, I'm now ready to use the beautiful WYSIWYG HTML editor, and I can either type out my mail or I can just paste it here. So here's my mail, and I can modify any style I want. I can make things bold if I want. I can make them italic. I can change the font size. I can change the font color. Choose any color I want, maybe make this blue, increase it in size. I can stylize the email any which way I want. Everything is easy with EmailJit. There's a control set right at the top and a bigger control set at the bottom, which you can use to format and stylize your email. And you know what? EmailJit actually gives you the capability to select a separate from email for every account that you have. And you can actually set up a custom from email if you want this. If you want to send this email through a unique from address, then you can set it right by modifying it right over here. So when you're done with the setup and you've done with the formatting your mail, to send the email, just click on the send button to send it immediately. Or if you want to send it at a later date, if you want to schedule it for a later date, click on the schedule button and you'll be able to select the date, the time, and the time zone. So that's how easy it is to create and send an email through EmailJit. Just hit up one of these two buttons after putting your email in, and the mail will go out at the correct time. EmailJit has an amazing set of features which are tailor-made for internet marketers. Let's do a quick review of those features. EmailJit lets you quickly check the spam score of your email by clicking on the check spam score button right over here. EmailJit will tell you how spammy your email will be. For example, this email score is only 5.5, which is quite non-spammy. And this will tell you exactly how spammy your email will be. And if it is very spammy, you will need to modify the text so that you can bypass those filters and make it to the users, make it to your target's inbox every time. Next, you can save an email as a draft and come back later and send it on EmailJit. So if you're working on an email, you can save it, load up EmailJit anytime again, and you'll be able to continue from where you left off. As you can see here, EmailJit lets you send your emails to multiple lists. So if I want, I can send it to all 3 of my lists. If I want just 2 of them, and if I want just 1 of them. Not just that, it actually lets you mail specific fragments of those lists. So for example, if I have a video list and I want to try out a product to a small fragment of the video list before doing a complete blast off, you can do that with EmailJit. EmailJit lets you plug in any SMTP provider or email sending service to use as a sender. I've got one configured right over here. You can click on the manage to see a list of all the accounts that you've set up. You can add new ones or you can modify the ones you already have. For example, this is how you add a new account. You can add all these services. And with SMTP, EmailJit is universal, which means it can support virtually every SMTP service, every email sending service out there, including your own hosting's SMTP account or even Gmail. Not only that, here's something that you've never seen before. Emailjeet has an inbuilt SMTP server and it can work as a SMTP server by itself, sending your emails directly to your customer's inbox without you needing any SMTP, without you having to spend anything at all. Now, how cool is that? Now, I'm serious when I say that Emailjeet is your captive autoresponder. So it has all the features that you would want, including opt-in forms management, unsubscribes management, and even autoresponder mail sequences. You can set up an autoresponder which will send automatic emails to the leads who sign up to your list using an Emailjeet opt-in form, and the software will send your emails to them automatically. You can manage your autoresponder by clicking on the manage mail sequence, then select the mail you want to send out and the gap you want to send it out after. So all of that is possible with Emailjeet, and most of the things can be done from right inside the software, and the things which cannot be done from right inside the software can be done from the Emailjeet customer area, and Emailjeet will automatically take you there based on the operation that you see. So here's the customer area right now, and you can do a number of things including managing your list, your opt-ins, and your unsubscribes. In fact, Emailjeet can also track your clicks and opens. Just click on mail settings and you'll be able to set it up. If you want, you can ask Emailjeet to track your clicks and your opens, and Emailjeet will tell you exactly how many of your emails were clicked and how many emails were opened. So that's like a perfect autoresponder right on your desktop. Want to send your emails through your website hosting like HostGator? Most of them have a limitation in which they allow you to send a specific number of emails per hour. No problem, Emailjeet has throttling, and it can throttle your email sending speed, sending out only those many emails that you want to send in 1 hour. So for example, right now I've throttled my email sending speed to 200, and Emailjeet will not send out more than 200 emails per hour. So you can divide your batch across the time. So if you got a 5,000 strong email list that you want to send out, Emailjeet can actually send it across 10 hours or something like that. So that is possible through Emailjeet. You can preview how exactly your email is going to look to your customer, and you can even have templates. So if you want to put in an HTML template, it's possible through Emailjeet. We have a collection of templates that you can use, and you can even plug in your own templates. It's very easy to do, and you can plug in your own templates and have your custom email sent out to your leads. Not only that, Emailjeet actually keeps track of all the emails that you're sending, and if it faces any errors, it will keep the list of the errors, and you can export that list. If there's an issue in the autoresponder that prevented you from sending the emails, you can export that list and easily send out emails to them again. Emailjeet allows you to import any email list easily and instantly right inside the software. So to import a fresh list, just create a new list. Let's call it my new list, and click on save. Then you can click on the list and import your emails either from a CSV file. If you're importing it from a file that you got from an autoresponder, you can import a CSV file, or you can even import a simple text-based list of emails right inside your Emailjeet. And when you click on import, you will be able to select the file which has the list and bring it right inside the autoresponder and mail your email leads instantly. Now, how cool is that? No approvals, no waiting, no denial, mail your lists instantly. Not even using an SMTP server, because Emailjeet has an inbuilt SMTP server right inside it. I hope now you've seen how powerful Emailjeet is and how flexible it is. So whether you're happy with your autoresponders or unhappy, whether you have an account with one autoresponder or multiple, you need the flexibility and the power of Emailjeet to give you the power to mail your customers right from your desktop using any SMTP or no SMTP. There is no other software with the capabilities and the raw power of Emailjeet in the market. And if you are a serious email marketer, you need this. And if you are a newbie email marketer, you need this all the more, because you want to mail out your list. You want to reach out to all your customers without having to spend every month on costly autoresponder fees, only to discover that when you send out your emails, it's either delayed or you're not getting the delivery and the open rates that you're looking for, getting you a loss instead of a profit when you mail out. So this is Emailjeet. Signing out with the demo of EmailJit.